Nanning Aozhan Hardware Fastener Company, Limited was established in 2012. It is a professional enterprise specializing in the design, development, production, processing and sales of stainless steel fasteners and high-strength fasteners. The company is located at number 7, Dowa Road, Xixiangtang District, Nanning City, Guangxi, with convenient transportation. The raw materials of stainless steel fasteners produced by the company are made of high-quality stainless steel, such as high-quality SS304, SS316, SS410, and T. The raw materials for the fasteners produced by the company are high-strength alloy STLS and carbon steels. The company has a factory with more than 200 sets of various processing equipment and an annual production capacity of more than 10,000 tons. The company's large-scale standardization, the warehouse has a standing inventory of more than 3,000 tons, which can meet the customer's spot demand. The company takes more complete products, more stable quality, faster delivery speed, and better service as the goal of continuous improvement, and welcome visitors from all over the world. High quality, integrity, innovation, and win-win is our business philosophy. Our aim is offer best service and excellent quality products to satisfy every client. Looking forward to work with you near future and grow up together.